Hi all, in this short video, I am going to discuss you about vocational counseling. Before going into that, we can first look into counseling. What is counseling? To get a better understanding, we can say counseling is an interactive mutual learning process built on a professional relationship within a private professional setting, enabling the client to look at his or her problems realistically in order to independently formulate solutions so as to change and live a more complete, fulfilling, and productive life. Now, we can look into some popular definitions given to counseling. Counseling is a process in which the counselor assists the counselee to make interpretation of facts relating to a choice, plan, or adjustment which she or he needs to make. This definition is given by Smith. And counseling, another definition, counseling is a process in which one person explicitly and purposefully devotes his or her time, attention, and skills to assist another, to explore their situation, and to identify and act upon situations within the limitations of their given environment. Now we can move into our topic, vocational counseling. Vocation refers different things for different people based on their interest. Vocational counseling measures individuals' intelligence, aptitude, interests, skills to form and follow a career path. Vocational counselors' main role is in assessing, training, and developing positions and advancement for individuals. The aim of vocational counseling is to help people select a proper vocation and prepare for it. Deciding on a career or vocation is crucial as it involves lots of time, effort, and money. Entering into a career which turns out to be inappropriate for the person will lead to job dissatisfaction, unhappiness, and maladjustment in work life. All these will affect negatively the personal life of the individual. Hence, deciding on a vocation is a very important task. Vocational counseling facilitates this decision by providing appropriate counseling to the individual. Ultimately, the individual will be able to make the correct choice with respect to their future occupation through vocational counseling. Now, let's talk about why to select a vocation. Yeah, what's the need for it? We know we all have been created unique. Example is our fingerprint. We all have unique fingerprint ID. Okay, and we born only once in this world, as everyone knows it. We need to choose a career for our survival in this world. And we spend almost 40 years of our life on working. A total of around 80,000 hours we are working. Now ask yourself how you will spend these 80,000 hours before die. Here comes choosing what is best for you. How to choose what is best for you. Here comes the need for vocational counseling. Today's generation never plan for their future. Follow the crowd. Choose by influence of others. Accept the parents' decision by force. Get tempted by current trends. Jump into any career. Lack motivation. Fail to discover their lives. As I mentioned above, they fail to discover how to live that 80,000 hours of their work and live in a fantasy world. They fail to find out their abilities, interests, aptitudes, etc. And thus, we need a vocational counseling to help those people who fail to discover themselves. Reasons for vocational counseling. The modern era of internet and global competition has thrown numerous challenges to people. Stress-related work issues, transitional work issues, loss of job, etc. A vocational counselor will be able to help those individuals and bring out the best from them. Thus, vocational counseling activities target individuals who are about to make a choice with respect to their education and vocation, in search of new field of study or training, already employed but dissatisfied with their current occupation, hence in search of new areas of training and professional development, unemployed or have lost their job for whatever reasons and wish to resume employment, and the marginalized sections of the society and need proper educational and vocational counseling to realize their potential and establish themselves in the society. Now, let's look into the 5 steps a counselor follows in occasional counseling. The first step is rapport and relationship building. Here, the counselor builds a professional relationship with the counselee by gaining his respect, trust, and relative psychological comfort. The next step is client's assessment. Here, the counselor assesses the client's interest, aptitude, personality, values, and skills. And the next step is exploring options. After assessing, the counselor gathers information from different resources and make a list of clients' interests and aptitudes. And after that, the next step is narrowing options. After elaborating options from beginning to end, then finalize 2 or 3 options and finally help the client select only one option that fully satisfies the client. And the next step is taking action or implementing goal. Here, the client's goal is crystal clear now. The client starts working towards his goal and the counselor provides needful support. After achieving the short-term goals, the client will be now able to be on his own goal. In this way, vocational counselors work for the development of individuals. He get help him with the job search process. He gave him mock interviews to make the best of his current position, develop the skills necessary for career success, clarify goals. Likely, counselors help in discovery of his potentialities, interests, and attitudes such that he is helped to actualize himself in the pursuit of his vocation. These are my references. Thank you.